Welcome back to another episode of our motivational audio series with Tony. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to my heart: designing your dream life. Have you ever wondered what your life would look like if you could design it exactly the way you want it? What if you could have a clear roadmap to make your dreams a reality? This might seem overwhelming or even impossible, but it's actually quite achievable if you take the time to create a clear vision for your life. A vision for your life means having a clear and well-defined idea of what you want your future to look like. This vision encompasses your goals, values, passions, and desires in all aspects of your life: personal, professional, and everything in between. By creating a mental picture of your ideal life, you can guide your decisions, actions, and choices to align with your highest aspirations. Creating a clear vision for your life is crucial because it serves as a compass that guides you toward your dreams and aspirations. Without a clear vision, you might find yourself drifting aimlessly through life, unsure of where you are going or what you truly want. This can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction, frustration, and unfulfilled potential. By having a vision for your life, you can focus your energy and resources on the things that truly matter to you. This clarity helps you make better decisions, set meaningful goals, and ultimately, live a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Moreover, a clear vision for your life can also serve as a source of motivation and inspiration. When you know exactly what you want, you're more likely to take consistent action toward achieving those dreams, even in the face of setbacks and challenges. This determination and resilience will propel you forward on your journey to designing and living your dream life. So, my friends, I challenge you today to start creating a vision for your life. Embrace your unique talents and abilities. Recognize your potential and start taking steps to unlock it. Remember, the first step towards success is believing you can achieve it. That wraps up today's episode of Designing Your Dream Life. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name: Tony's Drain at tonysdrain.com.